And today I'm going to be playing with Kinetic foam. And sorry guys, I'm trying to fix my rug. Okay. Today I'm going to be playing with Kinetic foam. And you know Kinetic sand? This is Kinetic foam. And it literally feels great. And it says it doesn't dry out, but I really don't believe that. Because a lot of stuff say they don't dry out, but they really do. Like the next day you play with it, it's dried out. If you leave it wide open. So, let's see. And guess what, guys? It's this cute little alien face. It's a green alien. My purple got the I almost said my purple got the sister alien face. My sister got the purple alien face. So let's open it. I played with it yesterday, so that's why it's really easy to open. I got this from what's the name? Where did I get this from? I'll be right back, guys. I got it from Kohl's, guys. And it's like, if you get it, you gotta open Kinetic foam, and it's in like a shape of this. You gotta open it like a million layers, like until you get to this top. There's a million layers of wrapper on it. Of this wrapper, it's a million pieces of these that you gotta open with it. It's just crazy. But I finally opened it yesterday. Let's start playing with this Kinetic foam, people. Okay, so I have some Kinetic foam out. I'm gonna take a book and this pencil. I just like lay it. I'm gonna lay it out. And comment, like, subscribe to my channel. And yeah. I bet you nobody. Look. This is so cool. I love this. Ooh. I'm going to take my Trolls pencil. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to blend this green in with this green. It's not going to blend in. Okay, I'm going to. Ooh, I know what I'm going to make. I made a ball. Y'all are going to think this is amazing.
Oh, look. I want to show you now. But I want to show you probably days that I'll never have.
Gonna make a ring. I made a ring, guys. I made a ring. Timmy Turner. He been wishing for a burner. Kill it while you're walking. Knowing that I'm in a fan, it's up to BT. And I want it. Sorry, guys. I just love that song. This looks like broccoli. Like the song Broccoli. Who want broccoli? You dare me to take a bite of this? Okay. And my umbrella, under my umbrella, Well, this was a good day to play with Kinetic phone, but I have to end this video because I gotta look at my. So, comment down below. Tell me what we should make next time out of Kinetic fans. So, Kinetic phone. That ring in that broccoli was so cool. And yeah, comment down below. I found the top. Okay. Well, yeah, I love you guys. And bye.